I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I'll be showing you staining furniture with dark espresso beeswax. Okay, you can see I have a piece of furniture here that's ready for stain. It's an oak mirror. I've got a dark paste wax. I like to put the dark paste wax on with a real fine steel wool, like a 4/0 or a 3/0 steel wool. You're going to apply it with the direction of the grain. You're going to apply it liberally. Okay, I'm only going to do half of the mirror so you can see the contrast. Once you got it on completely, you can go ahead and just let it wait for a few minutes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to buff it off. You can let it dry for a little while. Some recommend maybe a 5 to 10 minute dry time before you wipe it off, but not all of them do. And that's pretty much it. I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy, and this was staining furniture with dark espresso beeswax.